What's happening? Absolutely boundless. The opening scene is a Cat D6 bulldozer with a powerful engine of hundreds of horsepower, roaring like thunder, rushing to smash a mobile home in just a few hits. The strength of steel and the power of the engine create a scene that cannot be taken away from the eyes. Leave a number 1 like if you want to join me to the end of this journey. It was terrifying to see a large trailer carrying huge loads go round a corner so quickly that the entire load fell over. The chaos, the broken loads, clearly demonstrated the dangers of operating at high speeds. Each pull was like a tug of war between the power of the machine and the power of the ground. The engine roared violently. Then in a suffocating moment, the body of the Volvo A40 slowly moved, escaping the swamp like a beast that had just broken out of its cage. Terrible. A train accident threw everything into chaos. Horsepower engines roared amid dust and shattered steel. Oh my God, the man drives a tractor with a powerful horsepower engine, performing incredible stunts. The tractor stands upright, the wheels touch the fragile ground, making the audience's heart stop at the daring performance. Immediately after, the Caterpillar D8, our bulldozer with its powerful horsepower engine, rushed in, pushing the giant rock that shook the ground. The overwhelming power and absolute precision created a dramatic scene, making everyone unable to take their eyes off. Oh no, the mighty excavator suddenly broke down in the middle of the excavation, making the scene breathtaking and tense. When a train accident occurs, side booms slash pipe layers with powerful horsepower engines quickly recover derailed trains. Speed and absolute safety help to reassemble rails, dismantle train cars effectively, ensuring uninterrupted transportation. Wow, the Rust 52 is working at full power, knocking down the sturdy wall. If you love these machines, don't hesitate to share your feelings by leaving a like or a comment. No one expected that in just a moment, the 45-foot boat with a powerful horsepower engine suddenly slipped and capsized when it was launched. The unexpected scene stunned everyone, showing that just a small deviation was enough to turn a launching into a dramatic incident.
Oh my God, look at that.
The towering crane with powerful horsepower engine slowly lifted the heavy dismantling machine. The moment the broken chimney was demolished, the scene suspended in midair was so wonderful that people could not take their eyes off it. Two powerful KAMAZ trucks struggled to pull a crane weighing more than 88,000 pounds on a muddy road. Although the empty tanks were less than 33,000 pounds, the horsepower of both engines still struggled to overcome the difficulties, creating a tense and fierce scene in the flooded mud.
Идёт, красава!
The bulldozer and the excavator with powerful horsepower engines work together to push the large rock down the hill. The mechanical power is overwhelming, demonstrating the superior ability to handle the rugged terrain and heavy materials. Leave a comment number 1 if you love these journeys. That is the great motivation for us to continue. Demolition of a highway bridge became tense when the bridge collapsed onto a lever machine. Despite the modern machinery, the strong impact caused severe damage to the lever, an unexpected incident in this challenging project. In any tough job, the Caterpillar 980M wheel loader excels with its powerful horsepower engine, moving flexibly on 2 large wheels. Perfect for road projects, construction sites, mining, and heavy-duty transportation, the machine demonstrates outstanding strength and durability. Wow, this bulldozer is really special when it is bathing itself on the water. With its powerful water spray system, it washes away dirt and mud, helping to maintain optimal performance. An interesting sight when technology blends perfectly with nature. The challenging journey of 2 giant construction machines, the Volvo EC650 excavator with 450 horsepower and the Caterpillar 235, begins on rough terrain. Sharp turns and winding roads test every controllability. Every decision determines the fate of the trip, making every moment tense and dramatic. Road demolition is made easy with the massive power of the Hitachi ZX670 Kibag excavator, which has a 370 horsepower engine. With its powerful demolition ability, this machine easily destroys solid rail sections, demonstrating its superior strength and heavy-duty weight. Especially transporting the crusher parts to the world's largest factory, a wonderful control performance takes place. The giant machine, like a majestic monster, slowly moves on the road, showing absolute power and precision in every step. Oh no. When talking about superior machines, Traxilla is a must-have. It is working hard despite the harsh weather. With its superior design, this machine easily overcomes all challenges and maintains stable performance in difficult conditions. Oh, the TP4 with 500 horsepower is crushing the old wooden house, creating a thunderous sound of destruction. The immense power of modern technology makes everything tremble before its unstoppable devastation. I never thought a regular tractor could pull a 220-ton ballast dump truck to the mining site. Maybe it broke down and needed this help. The large crane encountered difficulties after completing work at the Ronda Quarry. With a powerful 500 horsepower engine, this crane is capable of lifting large loads. However, the problem occurred when it had to work in difficult conditions. Oh no, too powerful. If you see this Bomag trash compactor as a steel monster that crushes everything. Next, the claw robotic arm was overwhelmed. With its overwhelming power thanks to its 500 horsepower engine, Claw easily tore apart the bus, demonstrating its superior power compared to the school bus with only 200 horsepower.